I was told I don't have to carry a weapon.
Come again, step forward, Private. I can't be here in this room.
Well, I'm sorry, Sergeant. I can't touch a gun. It isn't right that other men should fight and die, that I would just be sitting at home safe. I need to serve. I got the energy and the passion to serve as a medic. Right in the middle with the other guys. No less danger, just while everybody else is taking life, I'm gonna be saving it.
What the hell is your delay, Captain? You were supposed to begin that assault 10 minutes ago.
We're waiting, sir.
Waiting for what?
To finish praying for us, sir.
Who the hell is Private Doc?